Alright, back here at the workbench again. I got a little project going here. I got a 1942 New Wave Toys arcade machine, 1/6 scale. And I've had it for about 1.5 years, and I've noticed that the Marquee LEDs have severely diminished in brightness. So I'm going to remedy that, because in my book, nothing's worse than a dim Marquee. So you can ignore this LED. I put this on here just as a test, just to see, but if you look, I'll zoom in here, you can see that this is the surface mount LEDs right here, D6, D5, 4, and etc., all the way down to these little guys right here are the LEDs. These are the dropping resistors on the top. So what I'm going to do is replace that, and I've got a little piece of plexi cut. You know, I got some pilot holes already made here. I'm going to drill holes, and we're going to put 3 high brightness LEDs in, and I'm going to diffuse those so then it won't completely just blow out the front of that Marquee, because the front of the Marquee is, here's the actual lens. Excuse my ribbon cable there. This is the Marquee, and here the white plastic. This is the back side of the 42 Marquee. I mean, it's brilliantly, you know, designed and done, but the LEDs just have faded over time. Like I said, I run this thing all the time, 24/7. So I'm going to try to improve on that design a little bit. But these poor little guys have just finally gave it up. But here's the circuitry inside, and here's the dual speakers in the back, and your control, your on-off switch, volume control here. I mean, the thing is built like a tank, it really is, but you know, I love working on stuff like this. So we'll try to do that. I'm going to document the results, and then show you what it looks like. Probably should do a before and after real quick too, just to show you what it looked like. If it's kind of hard to capture on video anyway, the brightness of a Marquee. So, all right, we'll talk to you later.